Hey guys, welcome back. I hope everybody had a great Christmas break. I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. This will be so much better than all of this virtual that we're having to do, but we're getting there. Today's lesson is going to be super quick and easy, so I think you'll be glad for that because I know some of those IXL lessons were a little bit more difficult, but I think you'll find this one to be pretty easy. So it's over graphing triangles and quadrilaterals. So in this lesson, we're going to focus on, of course, you guys know what a triangle is. A quadrilateral, that's any shape that has four sides. So like a square, a rectangle, and a rhombus. Now, you may not be familiar with a rhombus, but I'll show you when we get to that slide today. But it's really like a square that has been squished, it looks like. But still, just like with a square, all four sides are the same. In a rhombus, all four sides are the same too. They just don't have those 90-degree angles because it's been smushed. So we'll look at graphing those. So our first example says graph the triangle. Okay, that's important to remember, a triangle obviously, with vertices. Okay, vertices are your corners of that triangle of 4, 3, 0, 2, and 8, 1. Okay, so you've got to remember how to graph on a coordinate plane. So we always start at the origin, which is down here at 0, 0. So we're going to go to 4, 3. That means we go over 4, up 3. 0, 2. If it's 0, then we're not going to go to the right at all. So 0 and up 2. And 8, 1. So over 8 and up to 1. Now my straight lines, just writing on my laptop like this, will be pitiful, I'm sure. But you're just going to connect those 3 points. And you have your triangle. So on IXL, you can click those points. If you click the wrong point, you can just click it a second time and it will erase it. Okay, example 2, graph the triangle with vertices 4, 3, 1, 6, and 6, 7. So we're going to start with 4, 3. That means we go over 4 and up 3. 1, 6 means we go over 1 and up 6. And 6, 7 means we go over 6 and up 7. Whoop, I've changed the color there. Let me fix that. Okay, and then of course, IXL will automatically connect these points for you once you graph the 3 of them. And we have our triangle. Example 3, we're graphing a parallelogram. So remember that could be a square or a rectangle. Parallelogram just means that it has opposite sides that are parallel. So 4, 4, 4, 1, 1, 2, and 1, 5. So 4, 4 means we go over 4 and up 4. 4, 1 means we go over 4 and up 1. 1, 2 means we go over 1 and up 2. And 1, 5 means we go over 1 and up 5. Then you can connect your points. Like I said, opposite sides are parallel, which is why it's called a parallelogram. This would also be considered a rhombus. Example 4, graph the rectangle with vertices 10, 8, 9, 9, 2, 2, and 3, 1. So we'll go over 10 and up 8. 9, 9 will go over 9 and up 9. 2, 2 over 2 and up 2. And 3, 1 over 3 and up 1. And then we'll connect those to show our rectangle. Graph the parallelogram with vertices -3, -6, -1, -6, -4, 2, and -6, 2. So this time in our coordinate plane, we're seeing all 4 quadrants here. Remember, this is quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're seeing all 4 quadrants instead of just seeing quadrant 1 like we were seeing on the first 4 examples. All right, so our first point is at -3, -6. So you're still going to start here in the center at the origin. -3 means we'll go back 3, and -6 means we'll go down 6. Be very careful on these when you're graphing your points. Okay, our next vertex is at -1, -6. So we'll go back 1 and then down 6. And then we have -4, 2. That means we'll go backwards 4 and then up 2 because that's a positive 2. And then -6, 2. So we'll go back -6 and then up 2. And then we'll connect our points, which, like I said, IXL will do the connecting of the points for you. So we have our parallelogram. Okay, we're graphing a triangle this time. 5, -4 means we go over 5, down 4. 1, -4 means we go over 1 and down 4. And -9, 8. So we'll go backwards 9 and then up 8. Example 7, we're graphing the rectangle with vertices -6, -2, -8, -4, -4, -8, and -2, -6. So -6, -2 means we'll go backwards 6 and then down 2. -8, -4 means we'll go backwards 8 and then down 4. -4, -8 means we'll go backwards 4 and then down 8. And then -2, -6 means we'll go back 2 and then down 6. And then you can see your rectangle. Okay, we're doing a rectangle again, 9, 0, 6, 0, and 6, 5. So it's only giving us 3, and we have to graph that fourth one. Okay, so let's do 9, 0 means we go over 9 and then up 0, so it just stay on that x-axis at 9. Then we have 6, 0, so we'll go over 6 and we're not going up any, so that will be another one on the x-axis. And then we have 6, 5, which is over 6 and up 5. So in order for this to make a rectangle for us, we've got to find that other point where these are going to meet to create a rectangle, which would be at 9, 5. I'm pretty sure on IXL it just has you click on the point. You don't actually have to enter the ordered pair. Okay, so it's giving us 3 vertices of the parallelogram. So at 1, 10, so over 1 and up 10. 3, 10, so over 3 and up 10. And 5, 6, so over 5 and up 6. And we're looking for where that fourth point would be. So go ahead and figure out where you can connect some of these. So it would be this point right here. Remember the opposite sides are parallel, meaning they'll never intersect with each other. So that last point was at 3, 6. Okay, our last one here, we have 3 vertices of 0, 7, 0, 2, and 4, 5. And we're graphing the rhombus. Remember I told you a rhombus is like a smushed square. So all 4 sides will still be the same length, but you will not have 4 90-degree angles. So 0, 7 means we don't go to the right any, we just go straight up to the 7 on the y-axis. So 0, 7. 0, 2, we do the same thing. We don't go to the right, we just go up on our y-axis to 0, 2. Then we have 4, 5. We go over 4 and up 5. And we're looking for that other spot. Now remember, I told you all 4 sides have to be the same. So look at the distance of this one. This side, sorry that looks so terrible, but that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. So then if it went this way, of course that's hard to see the exact distance the way it cuts through the middle of blocks. But remember, if it was 5 high here, it needs to be 5 high again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's at 410. And then, like I say, IXL will connect those for you. So it looks like a smushed square. Okay, your assessment today is IXL W8. Like I said before, IXL will give you an endless amount of questions, but once you feel like your SMART score is as high as you can get it, you can close out and it will save that score for me. I'll see you guys tomorrow.